Go sure fit. Yeah, yeah. Go girl. Show 'em, show 'em. Go sure fit Johnson. This is your world. Now pose for 'em. Show 'em behind the scenes. Show 'em your long hair, even when it's weave. Show 'em your makeup. Show 'em your real life. Yeah, with the flaws, those DIYs and fashion hauls. I am SureFit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts. Hey YouTube fam, this is yours truly, SureFit Johnson. Got the chain which verifies who I am. Look into it. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button right now. Stop what you're doing and hit the subscribe button. I'll wait. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Hit the thumbs up button because I guarantee you this video is going to be everything you wanted it to be because you knew what it was going to be when you hit the title. So yes, you guessed it, this video is all about my SHEIN dresses that I've gotten from SHEIN, and honestly I love SHEIN. I'm doing a video on the dresses, and I'm thinking of doing just a simple haul video of stuff that I got this summer from SHEIN that I absolutely love. SHEIN is one of my favorite places to shop simply because the clothes are cheap in price but great in quality / material. The dress that I'm wearing right now is actually from SHEIN, and I've worn it a lot of times going out, and it's this nice velvet color. It's a nice low scoop back, which I love because it's great for people who have like a nice little badonkadonk, which I do. And yeah, I'm just gonna get started in this video. Comment down below which dress is your favorite, which one you would definitely rock, or which one you think looks rocking on me. But yes guys, follow me on Instagram because I stay posting on there videos that do not make it to YouTube, on my story and also on my feed. If you have any other comments, concerns, just leave it down below. Hit the bell alert and let's just get started. Fit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alert.